So everybody, today's job is fitting Apple CarPlay to the Scimitar. So the first task is to obviously remove this, and then I'm going to have to cut behind. So obviously I'll take this front panel off, and then I need to cut the fiberglass panel that's behind this, because stupidly this Scimitar came with this stereo, which means you've got the two holes in the dash either side, here and here, which means that just changing this out and replacing it is rather an annoying task. So I'm going to take this front plate off and then try and get this old unit out. I've already taken the front plate off and then the dials, etc., so that should speed up the process. So step one, remove the screws that are located here and then up here, and then remove the cigarette tray, which I already have done, and then surely if you take this screw out and then another one this side, this should lift up. Actually there might be a few more. After pulling this out slightly, you'll see all of these wires. So I'm going to disconnect those, disconnect these as well, and then hopefully should be able to take this front panel off.
It's been cut anyway, you can see that it's not actually level, it's been previously cut.
But when you turn the ignition on, nothing. Everybody, after a lot of hassle, I've managed to get the units in and wired up. However, even though I have cut the dash, it still doesn't fit properly. So at the moment, it sticks out a little bit. You can still access all the switches. Everything still works. I've wired everything back together. But yeah, to be fair, I still think it's a success. We still have an Apple CarPlay unit in the Scimitar, so in my eyes that's a success. I have a slight problem. You got oil dripping into the cabin. I've never seen that before. So, as you just saw, everything was working fine. I then started the car to move the car, and now I have oil dripping down the front of the dash, because the oil pressure line came off. So now the radio has broken. So now I need to buy another one. Great. Anyway guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.